Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a verification code from Google Authenticator app. Super useful for logging into apps with 2FA or two-factor authentication. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Authenticator. Make sure the Google Authenticator app is installed on your phone. If not, head to Play Store or App Store and search for Google Authenticator and download it. Step 2 is launch the app. Tap to open the app. You'll see a list of accounts you've added. Each one has a 6-digit code next to it. Step 3. Find the code you need. Look for the account or app you're trying to log in like Gmail, Facebook, Binance, etc. Next to the name you'll see a time-based code. It refreshes every 30 seconds. Step 4. Enter the code. Go back to the website app you're logging into. Enter the 6-digit code shown in your Google Authenticator app. And that's it. You're now logged in securely using two-factor authentication. Hope this video helps and thank you for watching.